tayong mag-load ng car. So, let's go!
Oh wow, this looks very different from before.
We're here at Silangan Black Space. The last time we were here was probably about a year ago.
Itira mo na lang po yung ID code niya.
Yung proof na matagal na kaming nag-camping dito. Eh. So ito yung ready to camp nila. Pwede mo i-book yung camping. And I think also yung isa na nandun. The first time we camped dun kami kasi may dilim. Maganda dito, open space. Very vibrant and tahimik lang. Go? We're done na. Magpalinas and drop off ng tent. Very quick lang yung transaction. So now, punta na tayo sa exciting part para kay Papa. Saan yun, Beth? Kay?
Dr. Joe.
Sa Dr. Joe.
Check up tayo.